guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I made these amazing super easy candle holders using products from the Dollar Tree. So enough of me talking. I want you guys to sit back and enjoy this video.
I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got all you need. I got all you need, say. Oh, we won't waste any more time, yeah.
I've been thinking, you don't really know a thing about you and I see you hurting, but just to conceal it with a smile, smile. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, no, no. 'Cause the life you live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute? Just relax yourself. This moment will never come back again. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called your ace your kingdom, and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called your ace your kingdom, and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't
guys enjoyed this video of my Dollar Tree DIY candle holders. These amazing centerpieces look good anywhere, on a table, on a fireplace, in a bedroom, anywhere. Like, you could put these literally anywhere in your home and it'll add that pop that you're looking for. And I did use the battery operated candles. That way when you do light the candles, if it was real, you don't have to worry about the wax melting and you trying to scrape all the wax out to put another candle in there. So for the convenience, just use battery operated candles, which I did get those from Walmart. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And to my subscribers out there, you already know I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I truly do. And thanks for supporting your girl thus far. And if you so happen to be new to my channel and you clicked on this video because you was interested in the title, you also go make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn your notification on. That way you will not miss an upload, okay? So until the next time, into the next DIY bougie on a budget. Thanks for watching. Bye.